reason behind this being so dark blue, the color of this water? And the answer to this apparently simple question, which he finally unraveled, won him the world's most prestigious award, the Nobel Prize. And he worked on this, he researched over this. It seems apparently, obviously, it seems a simple thing, but it is not so simple. It is related to the scattering of light. When light falls on some surface, it is the reflection of light that makes things to 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 give different colors. And he he researched over this very thing, and it was this that he he unraveled, he he solved this riddle, and that has made him to win the most prestigious award of the world, that is the Nobel Prize. It means that first of all, we are given one of the greatest contribution and discovery of this man. Therefore, in our hearts, there get produced a kind of suspense, a desire, strong desire to know that who was this, what was his lifestyle, what was his, that his degrees, what was his knowledge, what was his, you know, that his his schooling, etc., etc. Because we get attracted when we know a famous person, and it is a great technique that the author, the writer, has used here. Otherwise, like a traditional writer, he can simply give that he was born in a orthodox family, etc., etc., and he get his knowledge this way, that way, and that is, he changed it, this style. First of all, he has given us as a remarkable thing, a remarkable discovery of this great personality. Therefore, it has made us to know about this great personality, to know the different landmark, to know the various landmarks of this great person, how he has traveled this journey and have touched the horizons of success. And it is the technique that the author has here used. Dr. Chandrasekhara Venkatara Raman was possibly the greatest physicist this country has ever produced. His pioneering research on the phenomenon that causes the changes in the nature of light when it passes through a transparent medium, solid, liquid, or gaseous, won him the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Whenever there is a superlative degree, how we can say that it is a superlative degree? It ends est, this adjective, or if it has more than one syllable, then it is preceded by most. This indicates that the adjective is the third form, or it is the superlative degree of the adjective. Therefore, Dr. It is his full name, Chandra Shekhara Venkat Venkataraman. Dr. Chandrasekhara Venkataraman was possibly the greatest physicist this country, means India, has ever produced. There are so many, but he is among the greatest, one of the greatest doctors, in short, Dr. C.V. Raman. His pioneering original, you know that pioneering meaning who sometimes someone has worked, then so many persons come, and then one of them get succeeded giving the final touch of that discovery or that invention. That is not pioneering. But some persons start by themselves and take it to their conclusion by themselves, and that is pioneering, which is not started by anyone. This very work has started, research was started by himself. He was a pioneering. His pioneering research on the phenomenon. These phenomenon are those which are happening different natural phenomena are there that causes the change in the nature of light when it passes through a transparent medium. You know that he has researched that how light when it passes from one medium to another, from air to water, and how what happens in its nature, especially when it passes through transparent mediums. Transparent, so we know that allows light to pass through them, whether these are solid, liquid, or gaseous. And he has worked over this very thing and has succeeded to solving this problem, that why the water of the Mediterranean Sea seems dark blue. And this very thing has won him the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Thank you.